dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast feel me, West Coast feel me.
Boy, I've been.
Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to be giving you guys my college dorm room tour. Something cool about my dorm room this year is that I'm a RA, so that means I get the whole room to myself. I made a video like this last year. I'll just put it up in the cards if you guys want to check out what my freshman dorm looked like. This room is made for 2 people, so I have like 2 closets if that's confusing to people. Towers are mainly freshman dorms, so most of my residents are freshmen. Before we go ahead and get into the video, make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this, and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss another video. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not in front of the camera. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the outside of my door. It just says RA Maya, and then I have this little like circle thing to let my residents know where I am. So it's either here, sleep, quiet time, on campus, and building off campus. So yeah, that just helps my residents know where I'm at. And yep, I know it's not centered, but it was whatever. But yeah, here's a little quick overview of my room from the door. So I'm gonna start off with this little corner, which is like my favorite part of my room. It's like my little couch, little living room area. So pretty much everything in this corner is from Target. So the couch is from Target. The plant, the rug, the 2 little like cubes on the side are from Target, the pillow, the lamp. So yeah, Target sponsored, JK. But yeah, so everything's from Target and it's just super comfy. Like if my residents come in, like we could just hang out here, sit and chat. It's actually been working out really well. These little cubes also double as storage. So in here I just have like extra light bulbs for my lamp. And then in this cube, I have an extra charger for like my speakers, and then I have my camera charger on top, and then there's also like toilet paper in there too. So doubles as storage. And then my little plant named Allie, named by my friend Allie. And then across from it, over here is like what I call my little pantry area. In this area, I just have all of my food and snacks and stuff. So at the top shelf, I have some snacks, some pots and pans, some like pasta if I want to cook pasta because there's a kitchen on my floor. Then these 4 little basket things, I got those from Target as well. So this first one just has bags, like reusable bags if I go to the grocery store or whatever. This one has candy in it, so when my residents come to visit me, they can get some candy. This one just has like snacks in it, and I'll show y'all what I got. So yeah, I just have a bunch of snacks, chips, all sorts of stuff in here. So this little cubby, last little cubby thing, I just have some cups and paper plates, napkins, all that stuff. And then I have my cereal over here. So we have some mini wheats and honey nut Cheerios. If y'all watched my last college dorm tour from last year, I had some Cheerios. I love Cheerios, yeah. Then I have this little cup that has some candy in it that I sometimes like put down on my dresser down here for people to grab. And then I have some cleaning supplies back there, just like Windex, and I think there's an all-purpose cleaner back behind it. Tide Pods, air freshener, and yeah, so that's like my little pantry area. And then moving right below it, I have a closet. So you have 2 closets because this room is made for 2 people, but it's only me in here, so yay. So yeah, so I didn't really fill up this whole closet. I just have like my winter stuff, like sweaters and such right there. Then under right there, I have my extra comforter and sheets. I have this little board that says welcome class of 2023 because most of my residents are freshmen. Then I have my little RA phone that I use when I'm on call. And then in this dresser, this drawer is the only one that has stuff in it. It's kind of messy, but it just has like summer stuff, tank tops, crop tops, shorts, skirts, and stuff. And then this drawer right here has all of my jeans in it, and then there's like 1 random dress right there. But yeah, so these are all my jeans, and then the next 2 drawers just have like extra random stuff in it. Then I have this rock that I use to keep my door open. I like to keep my door open so my residents can come say hi. Yeah, and then moving on, This part looks pretty similar to last year. Not really, but the only thing that's same from about last year is that this little picture that I got from Home Goods, it was over my fridge and stuff last year. But yeah, you would know if you watched the other video. This fridge and the microwave came with the room. And so I just have some seasonings up here because you know I gotta season my food. So I have garlic, all that, seasonings, whatever, basic. Have syrup because I have pancakes, like frozen pancakes. I would like to eat those. Paper towels right here, cup, bowl, plate, essentials. I just have some extra plastic silverware that I stole from like Chipotle. And then some more syrup because yeah. In my freezer, I just have some like a frozen meal, ice cream, pancakes, ice pack that I need to get back to somebody. And then in my fridge, I just have my Brita, which is blue. I love my Brita. It's really good. You need a Brita when you come to college. Some like chocolate sauce, pizza, because I ordered pizza last night, some juice, and then one thing of applesauce. So yeah, not that much. Next to my fridge and everything, I have a whiteboard. This whiteboard I had by my door last year, and I just put this right here next to my refrigerator and the door to my bathroom. So I just had a to-do list. This was like my to-do list yesterday. Clearly I did not finish all of it, but that's okay. But I just hang some of my bags here. This is like my Madrid bag. This is my little purse that I kind of take with me if I'm going out. And then I have my keys on here as well. And then these little like beads that I got from a football game. So yeah. And then I just have this little movie ticket from when I went to go see Hustlers. I'm gonna like fill this up with like little random memories from the year, but so far I only have one thing. So yeah, and then my trash can is right there. I just need a bag in it. And then moving on is me, yay. But yeah, so this is the door to the bathroom. So I do share the bathroom with my suite mates on the other side and my suite mates in my residence. So it's just two girls that live over there and we share a bathroom. It has like a toilet and shower. And yeah, pretty simple, easy, I like it. And then, so, going back to the other side of my room, sorry if this is like really a weird way that I'm filming it, but whatever. This is my tapestry. I had this tapestry of my bed last year, so I just put this in like the middle of the room to just kind of add something on that wall because it was really plain. And then I just have like an extra chair if like I have friends over, they can sit there. And then I have another rug right here. I had this rug last year by my bed. It's just a gray rug. And then my little desk area, which I will show you guys. So I have this little whiteboard calendar that I got from Target and I freaking love it. I have like colored markers so I can just like plan out my week and everything. If you guys want me to do a video on like how I like do planning and all that stuff, let me know because I'm really into planning and organization stuff. So it's the last day of September 30th, so I get to change this and make this all like Halloween themed next. This is just how my desk looks. So in the corner, I have brought a lot less makeup than I did last year. Last year I had like my whole vanity set up. This year I only have like this little 3-drawer container with my makeup in it. Did not bring that much makeup. And this drawer only has like whiteboard markers in it. And then I just keep my AirPods here, my Badescu spray, hand sanitizer, and a little like fake succulent. Then I have my little desk lamp I use to do makeup and when I'm doing work. All my makeup brushes, my little makeup vanity mirror I got from Home Goods. This little desk organizer I got from Home Goods. Stapler, desk supplies, whatever. Then I have a little humidifier, or it's an oil diffuser, that's what it's called. I have a little oil diffuser that like changes colors. I got this from Amazon, I love it. You can like change the color of it. It's very fun. And yeah, love my oil diffuser. Then I just keep my wallet here and I have my little binder holder that holds all my like folders, notebooks, textbook, whatever. Then I'm not gonna show you my drawers because my drawers are like super messy, but this drawer just has like medicine in it and chargers, like a bunch of random stuff. This drawer, okay, this one's not that bad. My computer case, this little file folder that I use for RA stuff, more RA stuff, calculators, another RA thing. And then this one just has like my extra makeup that didn't fit on my desk. So like powders, lashes, palettes, foundation, a tape holder. And then in this drawer of my desk, it's just like a mess. It has like command hooks, a little notebook, tape, extra staples. And back here is like the oils for my oil diffuser. And then usually on my desk I have my planner, and then I also have this like weekly planner as well, which is like broken by the day of the week. So yeah, I like to plan. My computer, a little remote for my TV. So this is my TV. It's like, I love having a TV in my room, honestly. I don't even watch TV that much, but it's just like so nice to have a TV. But I was watching Vampire Diaries, and I just decorated for fall / Halloween. So yeah, I just have this little sign that says pumpkins, apples, and hay rides. And then my 2 little pumpkins right there next to my TV is a 32-inch TV. I got it at a good price from Target. And then I just have this Happy Halloween sign that I don't know where to put it yet. I might put this on my door. But yeah, so this is just where my TV is. I just turn the TV depending on like where I'm sitting in my room. And then this is like low-key a mess, but it's an organized mess. Like, all right, so moving on to this side of my room. This is where my bed and everything is. So my bedspread is from Home Goods. I love this bed set. It's just gray. I have a little like pillow backrest thing. Some of these pillows I had, well, most of these pillows I had last year. My little blanket, and then my little poster wall that I DIY'd. I freaking love it. So yeah, this is just how my bed looks. Super simple and chill. And then moving over here, this is my dresser with most of my clothes in it. So I have a little pumpkin. I just put a water bottle, tissues, glasses, contacts, and yeah, just everyday essentials that I use when I'm getting ready. Then I have like underwear and socks in here, shirts, leggings, and like sweatpants and random stuff down there. I keep my dirty clothes hamper under my bed. And then there's like just a bunch of random stuff under my bed. Last year I actually used it for storage. Now I just have like an empty suitcase, empty bags for if I like go home and stuff. Little rug. And then before I go to my closet, this is where my sink is. I love my little organizer. I got this last year and I'm obsessed with this thing. So yeah, I just have all of my skincare products up top, my toothbrush, then I have gel, brush for my edges, medicine, makeup remover little pad things. So this is under my sink. In this little caddy here, I have all of my hair care stuff. And then in the one right here, I just have random stuff. And then, yeah, I don't know. It's just like a bunch of like cleaning supplies, extra soap, just like extras of stuff that I need. And then in this one, it's more like medicine related, like medicine cabinet stuff. Bags for my trash can, deep conditioner, shampoo, all of that good stuff. It's just a lot of storage in here, which is really nice. Ooh, almost fell. And then lastly, this is my closet. At first I was kind of mad that I didn't have like a door or anything to it, but now I just got used to it. It's not a big deal to me. So the first thing I did, I hung a little command hook right here to hang up my towel. Then I have all of my shoes on the bottom. I really have a lot of shoes. I have a little shoe crate and then just shoes all around it. I have the same 4 crates that I had over there, over here, and these ones. This one right here just has paper towels in it. This one has all of my extra towels, like body towels, washcloths, and all that good stuff. This one has, I don't even know what's in this one. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh, this one just has like extra sheets. Oh crap. Uh-oh. This one has extra bags, like purses and stuff. I keep my little dryer sheets and extra Tide Pods over there. These are some extra backpacks. This is another pillow. I use that when I'm doing my laundry. And yeah, I think that is all. Alright guys, so that is all that I have for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed my little, you know, RA room. Got to see what it's like being an RA, having a single room. It's pretty cool, I like it. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. Comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.